Hello everyone, this is Vanshika Tainwala, legal intern under Lexis and Company for the month of June, and today in this video I will be talking about a recent case of migrant workers. The name of the case in Re Problems and Miseries of Migrant Workers. This case was suo motu taken up by the Supreme Court. So on 11 June 2021, the Supreme Court gave judgment that all states must implement one nation, one ration card scheme. So the Supreme Court reserved this judgment in the suo motu case. So the Supreme Court directed all the states to immediately took up action for this scheme. This direction came after the councils for Maharashtra and Punjab informed that they have already implemented this scheme in their states, and the Council of West Bengal in this case stated that the seeding issue for Aadhaar had prevented them to implement the scheme, but the bench of Justice Ashok Bhushan and M.R. Shah, they stated that no excuse will be taken up and all the states must implement the same in their states. So the direction was given in this case, and in today's hearing, that is 11th of June, the senior advocate Dushyant Dave, he raised the issue of non-availability of benefits to those migrant workers who were not registered. So he stated that the 2.8 crore figures which has been counted back has been considered sacrificed. So despite directions in 2018, there has been portal. So they have no scientific data in order to proceed, and there are vulnerable sections of society who have been not registered. So they are under serious difficulty, and the economic situation is far more dire than the last year due to the second COVID phase. So in response to the questions posed by the bench on the applicability of the schemes to the migrant workers who were not registered, the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, he submitted that the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana, it had been extended to November, and a number of migrant workers had been identified through this scheme. So Additional Solicitor General Aishwarya Bharti also supplemented the centre's submission by stating that 8 lakh metric tons of food grains have been given, and the manner of distribution has been left out to states only. So, however, the court had only one concern, which was limited to whether those migrant workers who did not have any form of identification would be able to avail all the benefits of this scheme. The court also questioned the union about the possession of the national database, which had been sanctioned in October 2020. So the Additional Solicitor General in this case responded that it was not merely a software but a mechanism which would not only recognize the beneficiaries but also ensure that they receive the benefits. So Senior Advocate Gon Slaves then made his submission on the issue of national databases and informed the court that the issue had come up several times, and the Union Secretary had already informed the court that the portal was ready with all the issues being ironed out. So the Solicitor General agreed with the contention that the portal could not take this time and submitted to the court that they would speak to the NIC and that the directions could be given for the completion of database in a time-bound manner. So the senior advocate Anand Grover also made the submission on how those who had been registered under the Code of Social Security could be seamlessly incorporated into the registration scheme. So the court informed him that they would consider this upon the Social Security scheme. So the court then proceeded to reserve the judgment in the matter, and the parties have been granted 3 days to file a short note. So at the previous hearing, the Supreme Court had directed the central government and the state governments in order to complete the registration process of the unorganized workers wherein they have not been registered, so that they can avail all the welfare benefits which are provided by the government schemes. So the court also said that it is necessary to have a common national database for all the unorganized workers situated in different states in the entire country, and the process initiated by the Ministry of Labour and Employment for creating a national database for unorganized workers should be completed with collaboration and coordination of all the states. So the court noted that court was of the view that for accessing any benefit percolating from that scheme framed by the center or state for the benefit of unorganized sectors or migrant workers, registration of the workers is essential. So it was recorded that while registration processes still exist under different acts, no state has been able to give details pertaining to whether registration as a whole under the Unorganized Workers Social Security Act 2008 is complete. So this is the lacuna where we are lacking behind in the relation to the registration of the unorganized sector. So the national database should be completed. The court also mentioned about section 112 of the Code of Social Security 2020. It contemplates that registration of unorganized workers, gig workers and platforms. So accordingly, the order states that instructions need to be obtained by the Solicitor General relating to the steps. So, in the wake of the above, the court directed that the centre may file a detailed affidavit with regard to the same, and the Supreme Court has started this scheme of one nation and one ration card scheme for all the states, and the states are required to immediately took action upon this. So, this was the today's video. Hope you understood this case. Thank you.